Yield testing it's a very important part of the food cost control mechanism in kitchen. Yield means the final finish product after processing. For example, in a recipe, you may need 100 ml of fresh squeezed orange juice. If you need to calculate the cost of orange juice, you need to understand how many oranges were required to get 100 ml juice. That is the cost of the orange juice. In another example, if your recipe for chicken tikka uses boneless chicken, how much of chicken with bone will be required to get to the 500 grams of boneless chicken? In order to do accurate food cost calculation, accurate yield testing is critical. If you don't consider the yield calculation, your pricing of dishes may be wrong because between purchase and processing, there may be wastage that you may forget to add. Efficient yield management runs of two principles. First part is setting the standards. To set standards, the first thing you do is to establish a benchmark. Get your most experienced person to process the meat or vegetable and weigh everything as it should be. Since it is natural that meat and vegetable will not come in standard sizes, process for around 20 kg or 10 to 20 kg to get an average that you can use. The next part is to follow the standard. Keep training people when you see a deviation from accepted norms. If you do a yield test on the weekly basis, you will see who is able to process the ingredient well and who requires training. Often this training to cut and process better itself may help you shave off a percentage of your food cost.